Are you considering a move to Kasson, Minnesota? Well, if so, you are in for a treat. This charming town is so often overlooked, and it offers a unique blend of small town charm with proximity to bigger city conveniences. But is Kasson really the right fit for you? Well, in today's video, we're diving into the pros and the cons of living in Kasson, Minnesota. And if you're new to our channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any other insights into life into southeastern Minnesota. And if you're thinking about relocating, please feel free to reach out to us because we'd love to help you find the perfect place to call home. Hi everybody, I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate at eXp Realty. And whether you're contemplating making Kasson your new home, or maybe you're just curious about what this town has to offer, well, we're here to give you all the insights that you need. We're going to cover everything from community vibes to local amenities so that you can decide if this is the right place for you. From the unique features that make Kasson a great place to live to some aspects you might want to consider before making the big move, we've got you covered. So stick around to the end, and I actually have a bonus tip for you that could be a game changer in helping you find the perfect spot here in Kasson. So let's kick things off with the pros of living in Kasson and talk about the community spirit. Kasson is known for its incredible sense of community. The friendly residents here create a warm, welcoming atmosphere, making it super easy for newcomers to feel right at home. You'll experience this community spirit at local events like the Kasson Festival, or even in everyday interactions at the park or local shops. It's a place really where people look out for one another, fostering that tight-knit environment, perfect for families or anyone who really values connection. And the genuine friendliness here is something that truly sets this community apart. Now, there's also the affordable living factor. One of the biggest draws of Kasson is its affordability. Compared to nearby cities, housing costs here are really reasonable, allowing you to find spacious homes with large yards at a fraction of the price that you're going to pay in a bigger city. This affordability is especially appealing for families who want a high quality of life without the financial strain of the big city. And for many, Kasson offers a chance to own a big, beautiful home here while staying within budget, making it a wonderful place to settle down. And with a short commute to Rochester, this may just be the perfect place for you to stretch your dollar. Now, Kasson's school system is another positive topic, especially for families. Kasson takes education seriously, and the schools here reflect that commitment. The Kasson-Manorville School District is known for high standards and a range of educational programs, plus extracurricular activities. And with smaller class sizes, kids receive more personal attention, which parents really appreciate. And the dedication of the teachers and the community support for the schools really ensure that children are set up for success, which is a significant advantage for families moving to this area. Now, moving to the outdoors, outside adventures are plentiful in and around the Kasson area. For outdoor enthusiasts, Kasson is a true delight. This town offers beautiful parks and nature trails, providing endless opportunities for hiking, biking, fishing, or simply just enjoying a picnic with your family. And whether you're looking to relax in a quiet setting or stay active outdoors, Kasson's well-maintained green spaces make that super easy. And the best part of life in Kasson is its location. Kasson's proximity to Rochester is just down the road, and it's one of the biggest perks. It's just a short drive from Rochester, about 15 miles to be exact, allowing you to enjoy the best of both worlds. Peaceful small town living with the easy access to the amenities of a larger city. And whether you're commuting for work or you're planning a day out, the proximity to major highways makes travel really convenient. This blend of tranquility and accessibility makes Kasson an ideal spot for those who want a really balanced lifestyle. So we've been chatting about positives, but now let's look at some of the limited options, such as entertainment. While Kasson has plenty of charm, it doesn't offer a bustling entertainment scene. So if you're used to nightlife and the diversity of a bigger city, you might find Kasson a little bit quieter. And although there are community events and gatherings, you're going to need to head to Rochester for a broader range of options like concerts, larger and more diverse restaurants, and some nightlife. And this quiet atmosphere in Kasson may not be for everyone, especially for those who enjoy a more vibrant social scene. Being a smaller town, the job market could be another concern. Although Kasson is growing, its job market isn't as robust as what you're going to find in a larger city. Many residents here commute to Rochester for work, which may be less convenient if you're looking for local employment. If you're considering a move, it's going to be essential for you to research job opportunities in your field beforehand. That can be a big factor, especially if career growth and specific job prospects are really important to you. Now let's discuss the limited shopping and dining options. When it comes to shopping and dining, Kasson has a few great local spots, but you might miss the variety of a larger city. While you'll find some charming restaurants and stores, for more extensive shopping or a diverse dining experience, you're more than likely going to need to travel to Rochester. This can be a drawback for those who love exploring new places to eat or enjoy a wide range of shopping options. So think about how often you're willing to travel for these amenities when you're considering Kasson as your new home. Now, it's not like weather is specific to Kasson, but like much of Minnesota, Kasson experiences cold winters with plenty of snow. So if you're not a fan of potential frigid temperatures and icy conditions, the winters here in Kasson and Minnesota could be challenging. This weather really requires some preparation and an adjustment period, especially if you're not used to it. So make sure that you're equipped with the right gear and you're comfortable with the potential travel disruptions in winter if you're planning to make Kasson your home. Now let's chat about healthcare for a minute. While Kasson does have basic healthcare facilities here, residents often travel to Rochester for specialized care. This may not be a major concern for everyone, but it is something to keep in mind, especially if you have specific healthcare needs. Access to specialized medical services can be important, and the added travel for those services could influence your decision on whether Kasson is the best fit for you. And now for the game-changing bonus tip that I promised. If you're seriously considering moving to Kasson, make sure to visit the town first. Spend a little time exploring different neighborhoods, check out the parks, and talk to the locals. Every area in Kasson has its own unique vibe, and immersing yourself in the community can really help you determine if it's the right fit for you. Let us show you around. We can answer your questions and we'll offer suggestions based on what your wants and your needs are. So that wraps up our look at the pros and cons of living in Kasson, Minnesota, and I hope this video gave you a better picture of what it's like living in this charming town. But if you'd like to know more, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any future videos, and follow us on all of our socials. And if you liked this video, please make sure to hit that like button below and click on the boxes on your screen here to see some of our other videos too. And if you have any comments or questions, please put those down below and I'll make sure to answer all of them. I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate. We love where we live and we want you to love where you live too. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.